Lynn, I suppose you are here today to see your old friends? Everyone, you might not know that almost all the male players here have played with Lynn. They must be disappointed this time that they have no chance to play with Lynn again.
Maybe not. Barry just posted one update on her social media saying, "Thank you, Lynn, for not signing up for this tournament. No single player wants to see him, not at all."
这人真是看热闹不嫌事儿大。
Barry just posted another one. Please look for the video from last year's tournament. The game of the last 16, I assure you that you will discover a huge secret.
坏了坏了，又曝光了。
We have 2 Chinese players in the audience. It seems that our female player will celebrate with them.
We can't find a close-up, but Lynn
你发现了吧？
participated in that
就一个
tournament.
镜头都能看得出来。
谁知道他们的三录像啊？
We do realize that the lady in the playback is now in our tournament. She is about to start her quarterfinal. The day before, this lady played an extraordinary game against her opponent, and she defeated the champion of the last tournament.
画面给到你了。这不是扫。
So, Lynn, who did you come here for last year? Let me rephrase that. For whom?
Let me rephrase the question. Who are you here for today?
Well, you guys all saw that already. Do I still need to clarify anything?
Oh, sure. You should definitely give us an answer.
Last year, I was at a small bar. That's the first time I saw her. I didn't go inside. Instead, I stood outside and watched her for about 5 minutes. Of course, she didn't know this. I can still recall my thoughts at that moment. I have to meet her. I have to go inside, buy her a drink, and get her number tonight. I know exactly what I was thinking. I knew she's the one. But I have no idea how to approach her or what to say to impress her. She's so pretty. I was scared to make any mistakes. Trust me, I was really afraid of screwing it all up.
I got it. So today, you did it.
Yeah, I hope so. And I think I will make it.
What? Is he saying that he hasn't made it yet?
Lynn, you really disappointed us. You were the most outstanding star player, and you haven't won your love. Unbelievable.
It's heartbreaking to know that.
你快说出真相算了，人家明显是不会放过你的。要再这样下去，估计全场都得疯。
To be honest, tonight's rating is all relying on you.
Yes, you left us cruelly that time. Now you must give us something for everyone here.
Well, what can I even say? She's so perfect.
我看一下有没有什么需要补的，一会儿去趟超市。你有什么想吃的吗？
好像没什么特别想吃，你看着买就行。
好。小天自己在这住了1个月，应该不会太干净。我先洗一下，一会儿收拾一下浴室，然后你再洗。
我觉得你这个人真的是，买起车来骚包的要命，可是包啊、衣服这些呢又节俭的要命，全都是我见过的。
不讲究这些。雪儿。
拍的还挺帅。
好的，欢迎我们的嘉宾来到了现场。那同时，本次发布会正式开始，下面是节目环节，那有请。
你有10几年的空窗期，不熟悉赛场，也不熟悉对手，那有没有过力不从心的时候呢？
没有。
请问你今年29，才刚起步，对自己的年龄会不会有些顾虑？
没有。
听说你当初是因为被禁赛才心灰意冷的退役，是真的吗？对于假球的传闻，今天会澄清吗？ 为什么要在退役这么久之后才重新选择回归？是为了反击那些谣言，还是说，不甘心在那样的传闻里面退役？
过去的那些事情，每个人都有自己的猜想。就算今天澄清100次，大家也会觉得这是公关粉饰之后的完美答案。我无法做到让每个人都相信我，在座的各位也一样。所以过去的事情。 就让它留在过去，真假与公道，自在人心。运动员这条路很辛苦，如果只是靠不甘、反击，坚持不了多久。消极情绪无法支撑一个人撑过所有的苦难，只有热爱可以让人走到最后。今天我回来只有一个原因。 属于林逸阳的路还没有走完， 这条路才是我的，也必须由我自己来走。
感谢现场的各位记者朋友们，也感谢林宇阳今天精彩的比赛，还有赛后的采访。
这里还有最后一个问题啊！作为一个明星选手，不只要管理自己的公众形象，感情问题也会曝光在大众面前，这让许多的明星选手也很困扰啊。在你回国之前呢，张扬和孟小冬已经是国内最受欢迎的选手了。他们两个至今没有女朋友，也总在网上被人讨论。不知道你这次有没有做好心理准备，在这次回归之后，和他们一样，成为业内最受欢迎的黄金单身汉呢？或者说你有没有压力啊？将自己未来的感情曝光在大众面前？
对啊，可否透露一下？
对啊，我们都想知道，透露一下吧。
江阳和孟小冬有没有女朋友？我确实不清楚。
我能确认的只有一点，那就是我不是单身。
你们在一起多久了呀？粉丝们也想知道。
给我透露一点。
我能确认的只有一点，那就是我不是单身。看得高兴吗？
哎，你这人怎么这样？等一下，我没洗澡呢，坐了10几个小时的飞机，臭死了。
无所谓，反正我已经洗完了。
不行，我还是得去洗个澡。很快。
手机不要吗？
不要。
啊，你好，搜索有人。
那我等一下。
哎，林逸阳的前任本人真帅，绝不是修图修出来的
啊！真的吗？那我想跟他合照，行吗？
我觉得签名应该没问题，但合照选，我刚问他，他摇头说抱歉，我估计啊不想合照。
啊，好可惜啊。
洗手间有人吗？
啊。我听空姐聊你了。哎呀，听说你不喜欢合照呀？那签个名吧，就在这儿吧，可以吗？
再闹起你了。
哎，小心。
忘上厕所了。
您好，需要喝点什么？
不需要了。
这位女士，您要喝点什么？
刻凝神倾听，背后整个宇宙都在窃窃私语，纷纷为我加油，我要赢。尘土之清醒，这一场剧中入侵，身边每个眼神都是默默赞许，短短一句加油，你能行，你能行。过去的我，生命里每一天都在等待这一刻，像被一颗流星预留的夜空，终于迎来了心动。看着你的目光，心甘情愿被点亮。未来的我，生命里每一天都会延续这一刻。恭喜李阳拿下成功！恭喜终于告别了心中，他忘了去绽放。
不容易，这孩子不容易。
希望你们这次比赛中打出自己的风格，打出好的成绩，等待你们的凯旋，加油！好了，一会儿你们就去机场，我不多占用你们的时间了。
好，感谢领导的鼓励，散会。
想你了。